Hello grade 4, welcome again in our online sessions with you Mrs. Menna Raouf, your science teacher. I really missed you all my lovely students and I hope you are all fine and everything is okay with you. Today we will start our new quarter with Unit 5 and our first lesson is entitled What is the Water Cycle? First, I want from you to imagine what happened to water in pond during long and dry hot summer months. What will happen to the water in the pond? Yeah, the water's pond level will decrease, it will dry out. Why? Because the effect of sun heat, that's right. Earth's water is always being recycled. You know that the water you drink may have once underground or may high in the sky. Okay, how water get from Earth's surface to air and back again? It evaporates from bodies of water, soil and even from your skin. And water can also evaporate from plant leaves through a process called transpiration. This is the process of transpiration, where the water evaporates from the leaves of plant. Air, wind and clouds help water to move from place to another. Did you know that about 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water? So this is the reason that the Earth is called the blue planet. Water moves between Earth's surface and atmosphere through a process called water cycle, and this is the main idea of our lesson. The sun provides the energy needed for water to move through the water cycle. And this is our diagram for the water cycle, and we will explain it together. First, evaporation for the water from ocean and lakes and streams, and also the transpiration from the plants produce water vapor, and this water vapor will condense to form the clouds, and these clouds after time it will make precipitation process, and the water from the precipitation process will run off on the Earth's surface or go underground. First, the sun heats up water near the ocean surface, causing the water to evaporate. You remember the evaporation process? That's right, it's a change from a liquid to a gaseous state. So the evaporation is a change from liquid state to gaseous state. When water evaporates, it forms invisible gas called water vapor. So the first step in our water cycle that the sun heat up the water particle from the ocean and cause the water to evaporate and form water vapor. The water vapor rise into the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, water vapor cools to form the cloud, and this cooling is called condensation. When the atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surround the Earth. So the atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surround the Earth. When water vapor loses enough energy, it condenses to form liquid water. You remember the condensation process? That's right. It's the change from the gaseous state into the liquid state. The water vapor condenses around tiny particles of salt and dust that found in the atmosphere to form the water droplets. Remember that the water vapor to condense, it needs something to condense on it, so it uses the salt and dust in the atmosphere to form the water droplets on it. This is the formation of the water droplets around the salt and dust particles. When billions of droplets are close together, they form the clouds. Clouds can contain liquid water, ice crystals, or both, and the clouds also can form high in the sky or just above the ground. As water droplets and the snow crystals grow inside the clouds, they become too heavy and fall to earth as precipitation. The precipitation process is the water that falls from clouds to the earth's surface. So precipitation, this is our new process, is the water falls from the clouds to the earth's surface. This is the precipitation. Rain, snow, and hail are all forms of precipitation. Precipitation that falls into the ocean may be quickly evaporate back into the atmosphere again. So I told you that the water is moving from the earth's surface to the atmosphere and back again. Precipitation that falls on the land may be stored. It may follow across the land or it may be used by living things. That depends on where it falls. Water from precipitation may move quickly or slowly during the water cycle. So, the water cycle again is when the water from ocean, lakes, or streams is evaporate, and also the transpiration of water from plants form water vapor, and this water vapor then cools and condenses to form the clouds, and after that the clouds, when become heavy, it will precipitate, and this precipitation in form of rain or snow or hail will go to the surface of the earth again or go to under the ground. This is our water cycle. I will stop at this point now and I will complete the lesson in the next session. See you. Bye bye.